Hello guys, yes, as you can see, I'm unboxing the one that you saw right now so that it will be more efficient in taking videos. Though it is not very expensive, it will be handy, and I hope it will really be helpful as well. So um, let us see how it's useful it is, and then test, and let's go and have a lunch somewhere. So guys, keep watching until the end. Thank you for watching my videos, and please comment, like and share so that we can improve the quality of it. So now let's go all on tight and enjoy the ride. Okay, now guys, we arrived the place where we want to eat our lunch. So I don't know anywhere. I'm not a person who just, I love exploring, but yeah, when it comes to food, sometimes I don't want to search so much. So yeah, let's go and see. Guys, I'm going to eat this. As you can see, now let's get started.